Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question for Chemistry WAEC 2018. Question number 11. Ethane is produced from ethanol by option A, decomposition, B, hydrolysis, C, ozonolysis, D, dehydration. So what is the answer to this very question? How is ethane produced? Is it by decomposition, dehydration, hydrolysis, or ozonolysis? Actually, the answer is D, dehydration. And why is it dehydration? Because when ethanol is dehydrated by hot concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, you get ethane, and this is actually the removal of one molecule of water from ethanol. That's why we call it dehydration, the removal of water. So by explanation, I can have that the answer is actually dehydration of ethanol. That's what gives ethane, and this is done using hot concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. So when you dehydrate ethanol with hot concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, you will get ethane. And why do you call this dehydration reaction? We call it dehydration because the overall change is actually the removal. Whenever there is removal of water, you say there is dehydration. So the overall change is actually the removal of one molecule of water from ethanol. So that's why we call this dehydration reaction. Now let's write the equation that represents this reaction. We have C2H5OH aqueous. So this is your ethanol. So when there is dehydration of this ethanol in the presence of concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, there is the removal of water in order to now give C2H4, which is ethane. So that is how you get this. And you can actually see this in your chemistry under ethane, production of ethane. So you can see this in your textbook under production of ethane. That's how you say this. So the answer to this question is dehydration. Ethane is produced from ethanol by what? Dehydration. And this dehydration is actually the removal of one molecule of water from the ethanol. So this is your ethanol, and you're removing this water in order to get this ethane. So when you dehydrate ethanol using hot concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, you'll be able to get ethane. That is how ethane is produced, by the dehydration of this ethanol using concentrated H2SO4. So that is that. Please, if you like this, please hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. Thank you, and God bless you.